Armpit Massage Technique, Part 1. Action 1. Place the base of both palms facing downwards. Alternate in soothing and relaxing the entire armpit area. Action 2. Divide the armpit area into 3 lines. First, massage along the middle line. Then, massage the 2 lines on the left and right. When massaging, push from the inside out. Action 3. Knead and rub the entire armpit area. Action 4. Use the knuckles to push into the armpit area, pushing from the inside out. Action 5. Use the hollow of our palm to pat and relax the armpit. Armpit Massage Technique, Part 2. Step 1. Use both thumbs to stimulate the Ji-Quan acupoint located in the armpit. Then push towards the elbow. Step 2. With the base of both palms facing downwards, make a large soothing motion to relax. Step 3. Using the base of our palms, press and rub the entire armpit area. Move from the armpit towards the elbow, massaging and relaxing. Step 4. Join both thumbs together. Use the knuckles to push. Step 5. Use both thumbs to horizontally massage the entire armpit area. Step 6. Soothe and relax for a moment. Use our elbows to massage the entire armpit area. Perform a soothing and relaxing motion.